Oscar Wilde famously wrote, "All art is quite useless." He didn't mean that art is without value, only that its value doesn't derive from any practical function. This has always posed a problem for a Darwinian worldview. Can art really be explained as a simple byproduct of human evolution, or is there much more to it than that? These are important questions, so let's talk about them. Atheists such as Richard Dawkins have said that the existence of Beethoven's late quartets or Shakespeare's sonnets don't prove the existence of God, only of Beethoven and Shakespeare. But this misses the point. The real question is, why do humans create art at all? How did this universal compulsion for art emerge from a practical, survival-driven Darwinian world? Picture two hypothetical tribes living on the African savannas millions of years ago, the art people and the non-art people. Well, the non-art people train to become disciplined warriors. The art people sit around campfires telling stories of mighty heroes and mythical beasts. While the non-art people practice to become more efficient hunters, the art people carve artistic designs into their hunting tools. While the non-art people rest and reserve their strength for tomorrow's hard work, the art people stay up late singing songs and making music. Now, which of these two tribes will emerge victorious as the most fit to withstand the gauntlet of Darwinism? The logical answer is, of course, the more practical non-art people. And yet, they did not. You and I are proof of that. We are the art people. Because of this, it's been suggested that perhaps art can be explained by Darwin's other theory of sexual selection and the objective to reproduce. Just think of the stereotypical famous rock star surrounded by beautiful women. But this presupposes the value of art. To claim that people admire artistic beauty because it's valuable, and that it's valuable because it's artistic and beautiful, is dubious and circular reasoning. So, if nothing in the natural Darwinian world provides a convincing starting point, then perhaps we should look outside the circle. Where an evolutionary worldview is silent, the Bible provides answers in its opening statement. In the beginning, God created. Throughout the Bible, we find a God that gives people artistic skill, fills artists with his spirit, and commands them to create in a vast array of artistic styles. Why do humans create something as useless as art? We do so because we are ourselves the artful creations of a divine creator. Or, as J.R.R. Tolkien wrote, we make because we are made, and not only made, but made in the image and likeness of a maker. Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to check out this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I pray you'll continue to collide with your world for Christ.